Let's get back to your forecast. We've got meteorologist Robert Suhr standing by. Robert, you're talking about you're talking
Me.
about some sunshine, right? Coming up for our work week.
Yes, absolutely. Actually, not too bad today as well, but we do have a couple of pesky showers, a weak thunderstorm as well, but really that's the outlier. Most of us are dry tonight, but you can see over my shoulder, yeah, well, there's that little guy floating around, but southern Washington County. Some winds and some small hail associated with this storm. It is not severe. It will stay south of Fayetteville, obviously. There could be a weak shower here moving toward Fayetteville, but this should remain continuing to march off to the east at about 15 miles an hour. Northern Crawford County, northern Franklin County, the mountains of Johnson County most likely, and into southern Madison County as well. So, like I said, some brief heavy downpours and some hail over the next hour or so. After that, things get great. A nice, quiet, dry stretch of weather. We're going to have warm days, cool nights. It's a week that I think is absolutely perfect for heading to the farm and picking out that pumpkin, those autumnal decorations this week, because temperatures are going to be right around average in northwest Arkansas, lower to mid 80s. Overnight lows not too bad as well, mid to upper 50s and lower 60s as well. River Valley about the same thing, mid to upper 80s. Average high is right around 84, 85, so not too far above average. And morning lows not too bad as well, nice and comfortable. Some residual clouds across northwest Arkansas in Lowell. And then in temperatures right now across northwest Arkansas, upper 70s and lower 80s. A little bit of rain-cooled air you see there in Lincoln, 3 degrees cooler than Prairie Grove. Some low clouds and maybe a little bit of fog way up in the mountains here atop Kavanaugh Hill, where in the River Valley we're basically in the lower 80s as well. Here's that boundary finally crossing the area. Just enough lift in the atmosphere to ring out 1 or 2 weak thunderstorms. That's about it. More unsettled weather there, near the Missouri Butte and the Cape Girardeau area. For us, we'll see that lone shower migrate its way through the area. Nice and quiet by tomorrow morning with temperatures in the 60s. Notice, though, winds turning around out of the north-northeast, which will usher in drier air, which will be nice and comfortable. By tomorrow evening, no issues. If you have plans, maybe your child's got a soccer game or something, should be nice and comfortable. And then Tuesday morning, also nothing to worry about as well. Temperatures tonight will be right around where they should be for late September, into the 60s, and then above average tomorrow, but not by much. But the drier air, the lower humidity will make it feel quite comfortable outside. And yeah, that is a real-time rinse and repeat forecast there, with all kinds of sunshine here over the next 5 days. And the next 7 days, actually. No problems for the Northwest Arkansas Championship as of right now, with lots of sunshine. River Valley, pretty much the same thing. If you've got sunshine on your brain, we've got it for you here in the River Valley, Allison, with temperatures not too bad over the next 7 days.